Hey fellas, today we're diving into one of the coolest features of QuickAds AI, full access to Getty images. That's right, with QuickAds, you have complete access to Getty images, one of the largest and most premium stock image libraries in the world. Let's check it out. Whether you're creating a social media ad, a banner, or any type of creative, you can browse through an endless variety of high-quality images, right here within the platform. Need a specific image? Just search and select from millions of photos. Let's search few keyword. Here we have the multiple of option. Let's find the perfect one. And the best part? These images are top-notch, professional quality, ensuring that your ads look polished and visually stunning every single time. Let's choose this one. It's perfect for our brand's message. With Getty Images, you don't have to worry about sourcing content from multiple platforms. It's all right here, helping you create ads that stand out and resonate with your audience. So, if you want to elevate your ad creatives with premium stock photos, QuickAds.ai and Getty Images have got you covered. Start exploring and make your ads pop with some of the best visuals in the industry.